What's up, guys? It's your boy Big E with Italia Chains, back again with another video. And today we have our 925 sterling silver Colombian green emerald ring. This is a 10-carat emerald, a beautiful, beautiful piece in our stone series. I personally love this green emerald ring. This stone in itself is beautiful. It comes in a size 6 all the way up to a size 13. And guys, like I said, this stone is absolutely gorgeous. It measures around 10 millimeters by 12 millimeters, and this is a real Colombian emerald. Beautiful, beautiful piece to add to your collection. And obviously we have this set in beautiful 925 Italian silver with an oxidized look around it. This is a perfect ring for everyday wear. It has that really cool vintage look, and I love having this nice stone set in the middle here. It's a really standout piece. When you put it on the finger, it's extremely comfortable. Definitely good for an everyday wear. Definitely a versatile ring. I would personally rock this one as an everyday, maybe mix and match it with one of our other stones, our ruby, our opal, something like that, onyx, whatever it may be, if you are into stones. That being said, this is one of our most beautiful stone rings. In my personal opinion, I happen to love the green Colombian emerald. So guys, with that, let me know what you guys think about this down below. Are you into stone rings? Is this something that you would rock? Don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. This has been your boy Big E, and I am out. Peace.